Here's one of the 4 Liftronic Unitronic MRL Traction lifts at Graceville station.
Platform.
The indicator is fine, it's just my phone's camera. It's not that exciting, but I've never filmed the lift at Graceville before, so I'm doing it. Even though these are not exciting. Cabby is our security friend.
Subway.
Orange Dewhurst JUS 91. Takes a while to close. There it goes. We'll look out the window.
Platform.
It's got a loud voice.
Subway.
LOP is it's on the side rather than on a panel. That's very weird. There it goes. Here's the second lift.
Subway.
Same fixtures. This one's slightly bigger. Copy. There's our security friend.
Platform.
This one goes to platforms 1 and 2.
Subway.
Here's the fan. These are not exciting, but hey. Lift number 2.
Platform. Subway.
Here it goes. Here's the third lift, which is yet the same. This time it has the LOP not on this, it's not on the side panel, but yeah, but really far from the lift. That's very cool. Go button got replaced recently. That's the original go button and that's the new one.
Platform.
Oh, this one runs a bit rough. That's my train. Hopefully I'll make it. But
Subway.
here's the final lift. Which is the same. Okay.
Platform.
There's Honor Avenue.
Subway.
That's it.